Hello. What's up? Guess what we're touching today? 2023 was the last time I touched this code. Okay, let me make sure that this thing's working. Hello. Hello. We're good. Let's go. Okay, cool. I'm going to share this so people can hang out, you know? Just hang. Except, do I have Discord open anywhere? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Don't know if I do. You know what? I can share it from here. Hold on. Let's tell the people. All right. Cool. What's up? Hey, Bhavesh. What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Okay. I have not looked at this code base in a long time. Oh, hold on. Do I have to restart stream? Hold on. RIP. I might have to restart. I have to restart stream. Let's see. Potential. Yep. Gotta restart stream. Sorry, guys. BRB. Okay. Undo this. Cancel. Sorry, I forget how to stream on YouTube. It's like kind of a whole other thing. Okay. I will be right back. Got him. Oh, okay. Okay, now we try again. Let me try again. We're good? Are we on? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, let me create an event, and then other people are aware. All right, let's do this. Let's hang out. I'm kind of scared to look at this code. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of scared, but I think it's okay. All right, we're gonna update the deps. Alrighty, I've got lip gloss v2 notes up here. I've got my SQLite little thing going on there. Okay. First things first, I guess I'll go back to my terminal and try and update it to use v2. And then see what happens. Very long hang time is making me nervous. Has post. Oh, yeah. That's fine. Okay, so I think I need to go to my GoMod and fix this thing. Probably should have looked at some examples. Gotta double check actually the latest. Let me look at the releases. Let me know if you guys run into any buffering issues. I think my settings are maybe not working great with YouTube. So yeah, we will see. Okay, wait. Maybe I should fix that. Sorry, guys. We're here for the scuff. Okay, so it says 13,500. Seems I can update that. And then what else do I need to update? Keyframe. Okay. Maybe it's buffering now. Where are... Let me... Oh. Alright, let me look at the releases. It's funny, this is, I think, the out with, whatchamacallit, with like a set, like I've only ever just done like a go work or something, because it's all been, okay, let me just, I'm gonna have to like look up how to do this. It's fine. Oh, is that it? Usage required? Where? Oh, yeah, okay. Let me try upgrading all of these to... Oh, wait, backslash. And then I'll just do GC because I don't know. This one new. This one new. File where I use lip gloss. Lols. The road to compositing. It is the road to I have to say that has to be one of the most highly requested features is like support for compositing. The hood that's gonna make it way easier to support with compositing is that like, well, one, our biggest concern is also like, which is like always a tricky, it's always a tricky thing to do. Like we build packages that we're using under the hood as like helpers, widths and stuff like that, because they're handled differently across like every mode. 2027 is like hopefully the future. I think it's just not. And then there's some multiplexers that like don't support mode 2027. I don't remember if T-mount. Yeah, that's it. Let me see. No, it's a whole thing. Anyway, I shouldn't be myself. I'm totally nerd sniping myself. There we go. Okay, now it's Google for that. I don't even know if there's really much that I need to change in this. Whoa. Okay, cannot use lipgloss.hidden border. Value of type border. Oh, I see. Table.new. Yeah, it's you. So this, am I even using lip gloss table in this project? I don't even know if I am. What is it? Bubbles list? I should, oh, you know what? I don't think we have, oh no, we do have a list. Yeah, I want to do. Let me lay them out because I will 100% forget. Lip gloss list. And then we'll also, I can't type today. Fix table. Sorry. All right, with this one, table, lip gloss border. You see these new examples. you know, if I was really actually, let me have my screen for 1 sec. Me in room in the middle of the day. I think that's saying enough. So let's open up a lip gloss. Let's get this one to I'm just like getting everything up to date, and I don't think I have anything that I can leak on, you know. All right. Go. Okay. So this one is taskcli, and what I want a big table, and in here, which if you have a border, yeah, because I was like, I don't think this thing's really changed. Oh, you know what? Is there? Where am I assigning this? Okay. Oh, you know what? Pretty sure that's what I was complaining about. /v2, and then I can do this little guy. I check errors. Oh. I think that's like literally it. I don't even think I'm doing anything. It's all really straightforward. Although I should update the list. I'm a legendary streamer from the Twitch stream. Oh, nice. Welcome in. Let's go. I don't know where bubbles is being used around here. Where am I calling list? Here. I wrote the Kanban. Okay, wait. Let's actually just literally see if this runs. I'm pretty sure it might act. That'd be kind of legendary if I'm like, oh, let me do a whole 5 minutes. Uh-oh. Oh, I think it's, oh, you know what? I mixed up. It was, which one are you? Sure. Word paths work. Don't mind me. Okay, and then I think it was, so that is using the lip gloss table. I should update this as well to like not have that first row highlighted. I don't recall. Okay, we can do that. Cool. I'm scared right now. Like, how bad can I break this thing? Kanban list, help, add. I don't remember how to add anything though. Just any task name. All right, let's say, okay, let's say, actually, you know what? That was easier than I thought. that was actually all skill issues. Okay, I add a /v2 to lip gloss, and then for the table, I just have to I need to do that. Unused. Hold on. Let's clean that up. Hello. Did your past self treat you well? So far, I'm on CLI though. I'm not gonna lie. That being said, I have like I have that many people basically doing code review. So if there's any broken code, it's not my fault. Okay, blame the internet for not going, actually, Bash, this is how you should do it. I tried to fix it. It says stream is healthy now. Frame frequency. Okay, hold on. In the output settings menu. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, there's an advanced thing. Okay, wait, I might have to restart. Okay, try again. Is that better? What can I say? You know, I work with computers. What can I say? I'm a professional streamer, okay? It's easy. Could do it any day of the week. Just kidding. I had to Google it. I did not know where that setting was. Yeah, it turns out, little did I know that there's a bunch of little tweaks you got to do for the YouTube streams. Usually I use Restream or something like that, and I think it handles that for me. I don't know. Or lo and behold, like my YouTube streams have actually been scuffed this whole time, and I just didn't know. Okay, well, this is fun. So that's actually all working. I would like to remove that styled. Like, where are the styles for this thing? Oh. Gotta update that because I broke that. Guys, did you know that I accidentally pushed? Well, it was, okay, for the record, it was version 0'd, but I did totally push a breaking change. And I was like, this will fix everyone's code. And then I was like, all right, probably should give. Well, I did say in the release notes that it was breaking change, but like kind of irresponsible of me. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of rude. But it was never working right the first time, so is it better that I fix it but break it at the same time? I don't know. Arguable. See, that is literally the bug that I fixed. Because before it like didn't. There was before, when it was styling, it was referring to the headers and the first row as the same index. They had a shared index, and then it was just like always only styling the first row. All right, bish, look at us go. Okay, wait, we're on the charm channel. I should not, but I will. Yo, sick. Let's do this. Okay. Get a little made up in here. Okay, wait. You guys, I literally was like, I hope I can get this done in less than an hour. Girl, this was like the easiest. This is literally how easy they've made it to migrate to V2. If you're using adaptive colors, it's like maybe you'll find a bit more difficulty, but even then you can just do, it's just instead of lipgloss.adaptive color, you can do compat.adaptive color, and like that's it. It's so good. If it's not working in the first release, then it's never breaking change. Right? Okay, that was my justification too. Then they were like, Bash, please. Bash, please. Please don't do that again. But at the same time, we get it. But yeah, that was my like internal debate. I was like, is it a breaking change if it was broken and now it's not? Don't argue that to your employers, please. I can't be blamed for this. Hopefully this doesn't make me type any passwords. I don't remember what my setup is like here. Let's go. This is not, is it a feature? No. It's more of a chore. And if I was actually, you know what? I'll be very good for you guys. I'll be very good. Look, good role model. Good girl. Okay, listen. We're gonna go into Maggot. We're gonna break this up into like actual. Yeah, these ones are V2 related. Okay. I'll make it a feat because it's kind of breaking. Kind of, sort of. Sure. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I just send it with the conventional commits and I'm like, I don't know. Could be this category. Let's find out. Let's see if someone on YouTube will correct me. Hey, Bash, wait, hold on. I gotta get the glasses on. No fix? Is it fix? Guys, what's the conventional commit if I'm upgrading the package? I was gonna say chore. Okay, wait. This is what I expect from the YouTube chatters if I'm not adhering to my conventional commits, okay? Hey, Bash, did you know that's actually, the V2, that's actually gonna be a chore, not a feature, okay? Actually, thank you. I live for that. I actually love those comments because it makes my coding so much better. Actually, Bash. My best commit message, just guys. Yeah, right? I'm like, I don't know. Wait, you know what? I'm going to look it up. You guys can vote if you want in the chat what you think. Do you think it, what would you put it as? Okay. And then I'll tell you if you're right or not. And you already know what my answer is. I'm like, maybe feature, because it's like, I don't know, but kind of chore. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, wait. Conventional commit. Because it's like upgrading a dependency. Ooh. Okay, what do you guys think? Miscellaneous changes. Okay. Fix. Ooh, okay. This person says, and we're on Stack Overflow, so you know it's legit. Okay. They're real software engineers here. Can't build a bridge, but they can sometimes write buggy software. This person said, I use a GitHub bot to update minor fixes, and when I modify dependencies. For dependencies, I use a label fix with deps in parentheses. For dev dependencies, I use chore fix. So what is a dev dependency versus, okay, so the first example with fix says fix deps, bump React Native version to v 0.75. And then the other one says chore deps, bump jest version. I'm going to go with fix. I was using Charm Tools 2 years ago, and now I switched to Java and then C++. Then C++ now. No, nice. Dude, how are you liking C++? I used to not like C++, and then I tried it again, and I was like, wait, this is actually kind of nice. It's actually not bad. Don't make me get into memory management. Don't make me do that. But don't make me do any memory management, or I will break everything. How long have you been coding? Let's see. I got introduced to coding the first time probably like a decade ago-ish. No, less than that. I don't know, something like that. And then I actually started learning coding, let's see, 6 years ago? Yeah. Yeah. Listen, I'm not the leadest of coders, but I do what I can, you know? I'm comfortable. We're comfortable. Cool. So, oh, wait, you know what? Lols. Fix dep. Oh my gosh. Don't do that. Where am I? Are you gonna let me type? Okay, fix dep. Upgrade. Sick. Maggot. I love Maggot. Maggot. The font? That is a great question. It would have been Terminus, I think. If I recall. What? Wait, I don't even know where I am. I don't even know what shell I'm using. I think, I know what shell. I don't know what terminal emulator I'm using. I'm pretty sure I'm using Kitty. I'm on i3 right now, so I'm like, everything's confusing. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, actually, I don't know. I was about to lie to you because I don't know. Oop. I'll open up a new thing. I'll get sniped by this. It's an important question. What is this current theme? Can you find my font? Oh, wait. I think this is actually... Did I define this in my... Okay, hopefully I don't leak anything. My top secret configuration. I think it's in this one. Is it in this one? Font? No. Wait. Terminus? It is Terminus, but it's hold on. Terminus is, I think, a bitmap font, and bitmap fonts are like really weird on Linux. Wow, good guess, Etsy. I was like, I don't know. Yup. Hold on, I can even link it for you. Yes, let's go. Oh, I actually can't. But I got it from this site, nerdfonts.com. Yeah. Sorry for the struggle. No, you're all good. The struggle is purely self-inflicted, I promise you. Okay, my top fonts right now: Terminus, Gohu Nerd Font, if you want like that retro Nintendo vibe. I do like the JetBrains Mono. That one's a good one. And then what is the other one? Black's Mono. Sevka's pretty good too. But those are all really good. Do recommend. Okay. Side quest off. And then these are on stage. Let's stage you. And then let's go to our little V term. Is anyone else sitting in a dark room in the middle of the day? It's kind of nice. Got like, I don't know if you can even see me. It's kind of dark. It's kind of nice. It's nice not getting a headache. We do like that. What did I do? This is like chore tidy. I mean, refactor. Context, none. Unused args. Okay, let's go. Easy, done. That's actually crazy. That's actually pretty goated. Another thing that would be kind of nice be to update kancli, and then maybe I'll find some. I'm like kind of, not that I'm disappointed that it was so smooth, but like I'm craving chaos. Do you know what I mean? Like, can you break? Can I break something? Give me something to break, please. It's my fave. I think it was this one, 2023. But I'm probably better off like recloning it. Okay, wait. I know I just did this, but like, give me one sec here. Okay, well, I'm gonna RMRF kancli because who cares? Anything I would have made to that would have been like 3 years ago, so doubt that future me will notice. We're back. Oh, who's that tiny chatter? Don't mind me switching to the wrong scenes. Okay, the scuff is still alive and well. All right, here, let's find, all right, so we've actually got like a model and stuff here. That was me on Twitch. I looked up the font command. Oh, I was like, who is that tiny text? You're like, I don't know. So like I'm using, I have 3-window manager, by the way. And it means that like what's showing on my OBS is so tiny. I was like, you're like a tiny little ant. I was like, what does that say? Who dat? Alright, Control-C, Control-E. And this gives me some pretty cool grep results that I can modify. If I was like, I would just change bracelet, but I'm just like this, okay? Huge. I will go through each of them just to make sure. I don't actually know. We must have like an actual license thing somewhere else. I should probably update that license. Oh, probably should have updated all of those. It's okay. We'll do a go on tidy. Who cares? Who cares, I say. Oh, you don't have a terminal window open. Oh, and I'm making changes on main. Oh, did I not? Wait, hold on. Did I not save this? Hold on. Save. Yes, thank you. Okay. Let's go for it. Nice. Okay, we've made changes. We've done that, and we wanted to do a little go on tidy. I'm going to put this on the background and learn coding. Let's go. Do it. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Sorry, I shouldn't swear on this thing. Oops. Hold on. You guys, I put it in the wrong spot again. Why am I cursed like this? She's chaotic. It's fine. Let's look for bracelet / v2. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, my bad. That's actually, yeah. My bad. Nice thing is that I'm pretty sure bubbles. So I can look through here and I can go to bubbles and I can make that bubbles v2. And then I can also do, I can go to lip gloss and I can make that lip gloss v2. And then, is that it? Where's bubble tea? There's only, I guess there's still a couple bubble teas in here. All right. Whoops. Okay, maybe term. A little swearing is okay. You gotta have a little kick, you know? That's what I'm saying. Oh wait, Nevzat got back to me on the C++. Hold on. Glimmer says, I like iWriter Mono, which is a fork of Plex Mono with modifications. Ooh, okay. Nevzat said C++ is an exceptional language, not only due to its performance and flexibility, but also because of its widespread adoption and vibrant developer community. Who says, okay, did you just write that yourself? You're very eloquent. A significant portion of system-level libraries and performance-critical software are written in C or C++. Notable examples. I don't know if I trust that you. I don't know if I trust that you wrote this. That M dash is suspicious. Did you chat GPT it? Be honest. Be honest. Okay, I clicked on you now. It's okay. C++ devs are basically paid extra for surviving the wild beast that is manual memory management. Yeah, 100%. 2 years. I hope it's well commented. Yeah. Thank you, Empathy Monster. It's okay. Your empathy will get us through it. It's actually, so far, we've gotten one project out of the way. This one might be a bit of a different beast because this is actually touching bubble tea as well. So this is going to give me a decent amount of errors. It's only, only 16 errors though, so it's not that bad. Okay, this is a whole thing. I love that I can't see the full error message. That's my big thing. I don't know about you, but that's what does it for me. Okay, so let me look at the updated v2 stuff for bubble tea. It's, oh, right, okay. So one pattern that has emerged is, so instead of returning a T-dot model for our custom component, let's return itself, or AKA, or like any kind of model. Yeah, return itself. It doesn't have to be a T-dot model, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, because if it's being used as a component, I don't think it needs to. Where are you? I can't recall either if I might have to export it though, so that it's, I mean, actually, no, it's all in the same package, so it might be fine. Oh, this is interesting because I was switching around between different components. I'll just try updating them to whatever and then see what happens. Just do this and then see what happens. Board, I can't spell board. Okay, so this response, I don't think I need to, I don't really need to do that anymore because it's already returning a column. Calls i.update. It's really, I'm trying to remember how I can see the full thing here. This is the one downside. Okay, wait. Let's Google it. It looks like, oh, I am. She ain't reading my message. She's locked in. Oh, I looked up the font command. It's in the middle of the screen, by the way. Where? What? Oh, wait, no. I did read that. This is Do Me Max, yeah. And this is Golang. Oh, can you hide the chat in the middle of the screen? There is no chat window. Yeah, I'm looking in OBS. I don't see a Twitch chat. It's also like hidden. There's Nightbot. You can see what? Wait, can you send me a screenshot of what you mean? Can you share your Neovim config? This is actually Doom Emacs. So I use it pretty much out of the box. I haven't done a ton of customization for it, but I can and should probably update it. Okay, thank you. Oh, interesting. Okay, it's like, oh, I see what you mean. Oh my God, wait, what is that? Oh, I think it might be from, that's so funny. Okay, wait. There we go. Thank you. Oh my God, it's so small I couldn't see it. Thanks for DMing me. The Nightbot. Not Nightbot hanging out. Okay. Isn't that, I like how many times now this room is not scuffed. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, so this is kind of interesting because I was actually returning. Okay, so what I can do, I have to kind of re-architect this tiny bit because I should have basically this parent model. And just return that each time. I mean, isn't that what this is anyway? Like, in what case am I... Oh, is it when I, like... I don't even remember what the features are for this thing. Let me look at the README. Oh, do you have a README? Yes. Oh. Okay. Well, that was helpful. Oh, because there might be a form or there might be... Okay, so it could be a board or a form. Here, model board. Oh, I gotta remember. Here, you know what? Let's look at some examples so that we're not doing this in a scuffed way. Actually, let's... I can also look at examples on here. Okay. Let me go here again, and then I'm gonna make it not scuffed by hiding that. Okay. Give me one sec. I'm just gonna pop open the repo locally. I'm just like tidying it. One sec. Okay, we're good. I had to do a little hard reset there. Or I keep doing that. Okay. I really should get one of those, like, what's it called? Little managers. Okay, so I'm already in examples. What am I looking for? I'm looking for something that has basically a bigger model, multiple views. Is there any kind of like layout or right. Wait, this one might have something. An array of text area model. Okay, I'll open up this one. Oh. That's not it. That's not the one. It was the, I think it was the credit card one. Right, okay. So I think I can basically have a board, let's type board, have a, what other components do I have? I think it's only that and like a form. I don't know if I'm supposed to use pointers for this. TBH. Okay, and then this one is basically, this would be the entry model. So I could do... don't think that does anything anymore. What is the new one? Don't recall. Hold on. Oh, it does return on. Okay, so it's model and then command. Same as the... Is that right? Am I on the right? I am on the right branch. Why is this one? Well, I guess it doesn't matter because it's its own model. Anyway. Just like return nothing for a minute. Okay, this I can't remember if I need this. I need to eat soon. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so oh, hold on. So I think what I need to do here is maybe I'll have it of like, actually, you know what? How would I describe this? This would be like the focus, I guess. It's only two options, so it's gonna be, let's do like, I mean, that's a terrible name for it though, but whatever. Okay, true is board, false is form. Board is like, I think view only? Or just the form? Form is like adding a new feature. Okay, and then initial one, I don't know why this, what do you want? Wait, hello? Did I close the wrong one? Probably don't even need to have that. I can just do, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, try this first and then go for it. All right. So if it's focused, then I'll call, so then I'll update it like I would edit bubbles. What do you mean? I already updated that. Oh, I see. It's because it's like, it wants it. Do you want this as a pointer or do not? Oops. Export value. Oh, I see. Because it needs to like return on. I think I can just do that. No? Word.update. Probably don't even need this as a pointer, I don't recall. Okay, well, whatever. To not have annoying problems, I'll just ignore for now. Oh, it only, wait, that is confusing. The release notes say that it returns a model, but then when you're looking at the definition, it's not. Okay. Sorry, that was very loud. That was my phone. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, noted. Oop. Spot the typo? Uh-oh. She won't. Let's see. Also view here, we'll do Okay. What's the issue here? But it... Is there something I'm not implementing, right? Don't think so. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that should be it. Implementing T.model. I don't know what the issue is here. You know, maybe I'll do a little like init model or something. Hold on. Oh, interesting. There's a new form. Oh, that's like to edit. If it's new default form. Oh, I guess it should maybe, oh, it should be the other way. Because Boolean will be false by default. Which means I could do this as like modifying. So I don't think yeah, the rest should be fine. And then I need to go to wherever it does run. Oh, I need to do that too. What is that? How about I just make this return it then? Easy. Oop. Sorry, I was smacking you. Smacked you. Why does it keep changing the suggested bitrate on YouTube? Stop it. Okay. I would love if I could see what the issue is. I'm so confused right now why this is not working. Whatever. Anyway, we'll just go for it. So does that mean I have to move some of this logic around? I guess I can just have a or I guess this would be a command. And that returns a T-dot message. Wait, I can just do return board message. And then I would need to have, what does it possibly need? An updated form. I think that's it. Board.update, and it passes the form. This would be then we do oh, I put you in the wrong spot. There you go. I'll do that, and then I'll yoink the other form stuff. Oh, you know what? I can literally just do that, and then I can literally just update whether it's modifying or not. I don't need to call an update here. Easy. Because then it's gonna form, and then what's the other one? Board. I think the board is in the, that's in the model file, I'm pretty sure. Yoink. find board in this file and then do. Is that Bunny? She has a second channel. This is through my work channel. So we're sponsored by Charm. Yeah, we're hanging out. We're doing Charm stuff. Which is tasks I've been putting off. And now we're doing it together on stream. What tech industry should I study without math? You don't need math for a lot of programming. Definitely not functional programming though. Avoid functional programming at all costs if you don't like math. Okay, I gotta look at this. That would just be like pure pain. What does this ever need when it returns a form? Where's the edit one? Wait, where is edit? Hello? Oh, wait, interesting. So it's in a form that it does that? Where's F? What's this? Where were you? Whoa. That was my hip. Oh dear. Oh, okay. Handles all the IO. Okay. Interesting choice. You don't need math for functional programming at all? Okay. Maybe it depends on the language, but I do think that math helped a lot with okay, Haskell is just like the pure embodiment of math as a programming language. That's the comparison I was thinking in my head. For things like OCaml and stuff, probably not. Just logic. Depends on the language, yeah. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay, interesting. I mean, all right, how about I just bubble this up then? So what does it need anyway? It needs title, description. I think that's it. Reject Haskell, embrace OCaml. OCaml does have the best Christmas sweaters. You guys seen the OCaml like ugly Christmas sweaters? They're pretty good. So instead, I'll return can't type. Oh wait, it needs an index too? Okay, wait, so the form, okay, it needs index, and then it also needs a column. Okay. That's a lot of info. Right, so then I'm gonna have to like do this thing then. Do you guys know any good brands that do the under the table keyboard trays? I need one of those. I ordered one from the Vivo company and it wasn't, I was disappointed. Okay, so what I need to do for the return form message is more than just that. So it depends. Does it, wait, is it always creating a new form each time? No, sometimes new default form. So sometimes it's creating a new form, sometimes it's, okay. So I should probably change this. So I should do type. We'll tidy this up after. No worries. We'll get it working first. Index. What? Oh, interesting. I have a constant for append. This is fascinating. Okay, new form message. So what I gotta do here, I need the index and the column. Okay. And then in that case, hold on. In that case, I need to do new default form. And then I don't know what your error is, but pretty sure. Oh, whatever. I think I have to like wrap that or do a little type checker or something like that. I can't remember. Trying to find an example where I need to do that. Thanks for attending my TED Talk. Yeah. That's right. Be careful. Careful with caffeine. I've been feeling so good since not having any caffeine. It's been really nice. I think this one. Yeah. Maybe, does it have to be exported or something? I don't think so. I feel like it doesn't. I don't know why it's upset. Anyway, whatever. It's probably just mad because of its current state. We'll see. Undefined return form. Oh yeah, this would be edit form message, and then this one would be yeah. Oh, hold on. I can't remember what this needs anyway. It needs the index is and then it also needs oh, maybe that's why. Hello? It's probably what I need to do. Okay, and now it's upset about the keys. Let's go. Oh, this changed. I like how I've like been working to fix it, and now I have more errors than I started with. I have to import as form in return statement. That's fine. So let's actually return F and return board message. That one I don't think needs to even be anything. I feel like maybe I should just make this a return board. Yeah, whatever. This is driving me nuts. Why are my errors so far away? Okay, wait, hold on. There must be a thing to like. Can't use func. Oh, ha ha ha. That's why. Silly girl. That's why. I was like, what am I doing? What's wrong? And what else do you have for me? I don't see why that's undefined because it's there. I'll try just, oh, I guess I should rename it so it doesn't, so it fixes it everywhere. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's not going to. that's still wrong? Yeah, okay. I don't think it's the fact that it's exported. I think it's just that it's... like I have to do, yeah, that's why. It's like I gotta like do, it's like looking at fields for an abstract type that wouldn't make any sense. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Slowly less errors. Okay, so this one. Is this one just like, huh, I don't know. It's like, this is very interesting. I don't know why it's like confused about the version. Is it this that I didn't update these. That's why I was like, strange. You know what? It's macro time, baby. Okay. Although I think I put these in the wrong spot again. Bro, hello. Hello? Oops, that's not what I meant to do. I think it's that, and then look how many less errors we have. Yeah, just checking. That's a great joke. Thank you. I appreciate that. Philip says, did you hear about the award-winning Scarecrow? He was outstanding in his field. That was very good. Very good. Let's return itself. Yeah, it doesn't need to satisfy that. And then what else do you want from me? And this one, let's do the fly check errors again because I can actually read them when they're here. Wrong type for method update. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Is it expecting that? Response. Oh, that's why. Okay, here. No, we're good. We're good. Here, we got this. Don't fret. Don't worry, chat. We've got this. She's easy breezy. What are you doing here? What's this fun? This returns a column, so this is already a column. Let's go. This is actually better. Wait, why is this better? I mean, it's V2. It should be better, but like, why is this so much better? I don't need to do any of this anymore. I can just do that. Call. What was I even checking here? Whether or not the type would be a column? Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Maybe I was trying to see. No, I don't know. Don't recall. Don't know, don't care. I could honestly probably just do this as well. Let's just shorten it even more. No? Oh, I should have. Why isn't... Command should already be defined here. If not... Oops. If not, let's go here and then do... I don't know, it should work TM. We'll see. Can I use model? Oh. Once again, cannot read. Oh. Wrong type for method init. Okay. Have init. Oh. Oh, maybe I just need to like... Oh, is it this? That's why. It's like, I don't know. The most cumbersome thing of this whole migration is just like updating all these imports to the right version. Yo, what's up, Matthew? Hello, hello. Missing return. What am I returning here? Where are you? Oh, easy. Not that. One more error to go, and then we get to see the moment of truth. Alright, well, will she run? Will it run first try? Probably. I assume not. Wait. I think I need to edit the help. Oh, I think there might be something wrong with the keys. How do I... This is so scuffed. Okay, wait. Hello world, and then... Okay, so it didn't update here. Which is kind of fine. Okay, but it's like... It's doing things. Ignore the lines, I think, is from Emacs. So, okay. Step 1 is done. All right, give me 2 minutes here. BRB. We'll be right back. Hello, we're back. We're so back, actually. Okay, so something's going wrong with the columns. Why are you upset? That's the question. Okay, the columns update. Actually, I didn't try if you can delete. Is this supposed to be a... Hold on. I don't think it's a pointer or anything. But I do think it's supposed to be a pointer to the board, I think. Like when it modifies the board. What is happening here? What is this? So it iterates through all of the columns? For what? To update them? Okay, well. New default form, new form. It's written in Go, right? How long does it take to learn how to build 2E apps like this? It depends on, like, do you have any programming experience? I would say if you want to get started with Bubble Tea, the first thing you want to get familiar with is just the Elm architecture. Once you see that, it makes a lot of sense, and it's like insanely fast to throw things together. If you don't have as much programming experience, I would say starting with something like I'll grab you, I'll like link you the actual project, but something like is like, it's way simpler. So this is like a good place to start if you're just kind of like dipping your toes in the water. But then if you start to want, something a bit more custom and a bit more like customizable, then you can jump into Bubble Tea stuff, which is totally based on the Elm architecture. So yeah, it's nice. I don't know what elbows up means. I'll have to look it up. New board. This is a pointer to... Oh, is it not? Wait. I don't know if it needs to be. I don't recall. I think it probably does. I don't know. Pointer. It's all pointer nonsense is what's going on here. Value of type form as a form value in assignment. Oh. I think for this one, form, it was just a matter of updating this to be pointer. It's a hockey term? Oh, uh-oh. I'm a bad Canadian. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I guess it doesn't have to be a pointer. What? But this is a pointer, is it not? Okay, so where's the year? I do feel like this is maybe possibly some pointer nonsense that's causing me pain right now. Why is the help thing not working? Okay, wait, let me close this. Okay, I also don't like that it's not showing me any of the available functionality. Okay, so edit is just straight up not doing anything. New will create a new task. But it doesn't add it to the board. I think I'm not updating the... this used to list update. Uh-oh. Is this in the... This is the bubbles. Bubbles list. So E is not doing anything, which is not ideal. Edit form message. What is happening when I do that in my model? Oh, dude, are you for real? So it's that, and then also, what am I returning? I think I'm just returning the board message. Hold on. Return board message. What does this even have? Right. What was I using the form for before? I think it's in this one. I might have to look through what I've removed, because I can't quite remember what it needed. Yeah, I think I gotta look at Megan. Oh, I didn't really change so much. Calls I feel like it's staring at me, you know? I wonder if there's some other thing, the way that I've changed it. I think the best way to get started with any size code base is looking at the tests and running, like stepping through it in a debugger. Try and understand like one specific piece of behavior, like one specific component and how it works, and you can step through that in a debugger. That's what I would do. Because normally when you need to get started on a task with a code base, you don't need to necessarily have the concept of like the entire thing in scope, but you do need to know how like one specific part of that code base works. And then you can always branch out from there, but it just gives you a starting point. I think getting the starting point is the hardest. Case form. Oh, I don't think is this ever getting hit? I gotta remember how to like do the whole print debugging thing. Oh wait, it's probably in the main. Oh, it is log to file. Sick. Wait, that's already there. Nice. All right. let's do, where's my V term? Come back. And then this one will also do another term one. And let's start debugging here. Oops. And it was, I think, if I wanted to edit. Interesting. Fridge. Why is it doing that? I hit edit and now it's giving me a new task. Yeah. Oh, okay. So it is never getting hit, I don't think. So it's never setting the info, but still. Okay, I don't like that it... Actually, I'll just tap you out because you may be useful. Yeah, I don't think this is ever happening. No worries, Sean. Yeah, that's not ever happening. The board update. You know what? This would just be, would it not be create task? Okay, wait. Doing an update and you're providing it with a form. At what point in what we were doing are you saying an update that might give a form? It must be in the columns thing. That's my guess. There was something we were doing. Yeah, okay. So there was an f.update, and in that case, it would be returning a form. So now it's doing an edit form message. Can we... Okay, let me take a look. Okay, because there's a couple possible things in that form update before. So we're triggering that now with the edit form message or new form message. And then there's no way that that's being acknowledged in the board. But then is there still the option to kind of like cancel? And if so, we need to register the cancellation versus save the form inputs differently. So I need to make sure that that's happening. And where was that happening? So here, message.create task. I think it was doing message. Okay, so it would get a form and then it would do create task. So return that new form. Not me totally forgetting how this code base works. Not me totally forgetting. Right. Okay, what I need to look at is the form file. I should probably actually still look at maggot. Okay, so back, I've got it returning it for both of them. So we'll do cancel new task message. That's a form. And then also submit new task message, I guess. Or maybe I'll just do abort instead, because like cancel might be, I don't know, I'll just do abort because I think that makes sense. Okay, so then let's go to Handle abort and submitted tasks. And then I don't think there's actually anything I need to do in here. It's more in the board update. It's more you. And I need the return. Can't type. It's fine. How different is, I mean, okay. Because I was like, I could also just have like a success or failure code. Return board and then do like a code and have it be a, had it be, I don't remember what the abort code. I could be like super elite and actually add the right signal situation. But it's not quite aborting. It's not like aborting the program or anything. Here, you know what? I can just do. I probably don't need this. Whatever. I can just make it a boolean. I'll just do bool. Overthinking. Hey, AZ. What's up? As anything. Whoa. There we go. She's easy breezy once again. Yeah, that's cool. Here I can actually just undo. Oh, maybe I can't. Never mind. I feel like I shouldn't have to do this type declaration though. But I don't know why before it was giving me a problem. I want to say if message dot abort. Because if you're not aborting, then just, if you're aborting, then just do nothing. In this case, we have the form message. I gotta remember too, is this okay, yeah, cool. I like fully spelling out words generally. Message.form.index, message.form.createTask. What are you? Dot set. What are you? No, your set function here. Oh, interesting. Wait, it's a t-dot command. Am I handling this properly? I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what's going on. No new variables. Oh, my bad. What are you upset about now? Fly check. Yeah, see? It should be fine, right? Why was it, wait, why was it complaining in my other one then? So just message.type. Where was the other one? I think it was the model one it was complaining. Oh, I know I have that open, but who's this one? Yeah. Why is this one getting all... Oh my god, stop. Stop. It's always just hidden in plain sight. Okay, let's see if this runs. Okay, so you're running. Wait, actually, I'm gonna close this and like, do full screen here. Okay, let me try editing you. Okay, that is scuffed as could be. That's fine. Hello world. Okay. Wait, what was that before? Did that work? Are you for real right now? It worked. Okay. So now it's just the form is scuffed. Whoa. Okay, that's actually insane. Did you know I was late like this? That's crazy. New form message, new default form. Why are you not persisting? Oh, yeah. If.update. Edit form message. Wait. What was this before? Yeah, whatever. Board update, return board. Is that really all I changed? Wait, okay, so what is new form doing? Help. Placeholder. Returns a pointer to a form. I'm not doing anything with this. Hello? Isn't there a form related thing in here? Oh, no, I am setting that. Edit form message. Okay, so it's I think it's the edit form message. I'm not updating something. I think I'm not checking for this at all. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Yank to the end. What's up, Arcane? Edit form. What do we do? Okay. So interest. Wait. By the time. Okay, so. So it wants me to open up a new form. But then in the form. Open up a new form. Okay, when was this used before? What is happening? That's why we're calling update. We're never updating the form that's being called update on. I knew it was that, but I was like, where are you? Like, where? All right. Hello. I mean, I guess it should be. Should you be a pointer? I don't really know. I don't think it needs to be. To do. All right. What other errors you got for me? Okay, now I think that should work, TM. Nice. I don't know why that first, the text input is like not rendering the placeholder properly. Maybe it's something to do with like the width being wrong or something like that. Okay, she's editing. Let's try creating a new task. Okay, it's working. W, huge W, first try. Definitely not longer than I thought it would be. Okay, well, the nice thing is that now it's working. And I just kind of need to tidy it up a little bit. I don't know, like, when are we using this where it actually does need to be a pointer? I think never. Those can't be, wait, hello? Are those are the only two references to it? I don't think it ever needs to be a pointer because it's not like it's being modified. It's kind of like it's a new instance each time. Like we want it to be a fresh new thing every time. Not title.placeholder. Yeah, like I don't know what's going on here, why this is getting all weird. Kind of strange. But maybe that'll be part of the cleanup. And then it's what, 35? And then U as well. And then that's it. Yeah, it's actually huge. I also, okay, so let me add some to-dos. Don't know if I'm going to do it on stream today, but we can always do a little follow-up stream, no problem at all. Let's do, okay, the first thing we need to do is, let's clean up the text input and area placeholders. Okay. The form itself is she's kind of scuffed, I'm not gonna lie. She's looking a little rough around the edges. So we can do that. And then I can remove this comment at line 40 and any other to-dos that I added. Handle, abort, and submitted tasks. Done, baby, done. We did that already. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I'm actually doing that kind of for loop. I'll just do, Oh, you know what? I think it's because it was, what's it called before? The interface? Oh, wait. It's actually this way that I need it. I don't know why before I wasn't just doing it this way. Who knows? 2023 bunny. Alright, what else? Clean up that. Oh, right. We want to get the get accurate help menu options. You know, it would actually be dope. Maybe even use Might be over engineering it, but that might be a fun way that we can kind of modernize the kancli project. Because didn't even exist, I don't think, when I wrote this. What else? I mean, I'm pretty happy with how that's working out, actually. Pretty okay with that. Oh, another thing that I would probably want to do, and I'll probably just leave it for right now, but let's also get, let's just like move board to its own file. That's just like general, that's like more just me wanting to tidy it a little bit, so it's a bit more, it's a bit easier to find things, in my opinion, because like the whole project is basically structured where like you know to look in the form.go if you're trying to modify things in the form, but then it's like model is where the board is. Anyway, so that's kind of the update with V2. So what I changed today is I created a new overarching like parent model. That's this model struct, and this one does implement the T-dot model. And this is what I'm passing to the program run. So that's what I'm actually passing in here. And this is more of what's kind of managing which components are being shown. And you're handling your own custom components more similar to bubbles, which are not T-dot models. They're usually their own kind of model, or like they return their own data structure type. And that's the main change that you're going to want to do for Bubble TV2. That's honestly, I think that was the bulk of the refactoring today, was kind of just adding that in. And then I think the rest of the stuff that broke was just, it was mostly just related to kind of re-architecting it a bit, because how this was working before is that it would return a board or it would return a form, and both of those were type of T-dot model. But now instead form is its own type, and its update will return a form, while the board does the same thing. So oh, hello, I thought I went to the, oh, I see, I went to the definition of that, and then here. So now you can actually see for this one, when we go to update in here, it just returns a form. So you can literally just create your own components, and just, you don't even need to have an init here. Like I could actually not have this because I don't even need it to be a T-dot model anymore. I do just need it to have an update and probably a view, just so that like I know what I can call. But yeah, you just create your own components and just have like a parent model, and that is what dictates the goodness, the routing, if you want to get kind of webby. But yeah, like literally look how easy this update is. It's just like toggling between either a form or a board, and I've just got a Boolean value. Another option you could do if you had multiple views is instead of having a Boolean value to denote which element is focused, you could have it more similar to how I do in column. I believe I'm either doing an array or I think I'm doing an array. Yeah, you can do an array and just have the focused index. I believe that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, so we've got, oh, I think it's actually in the board. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm dragging you all over the place. Yeah, here. Yeah, so here, status is the int. Yeah, this is the whole thing, but it's basically just the index. I have this so that, because there's like some logic about wanting it to wrap around, so that when you continue scrolling, it doesn't just go, it goes to like one end and then continues around, back around the other way. But yeah, that's basically just the index of the focused element. And that's what you could do if you had like multiple views. But yeah, this was actually pretty good. I'm like very pleasantly surprised. I knew that it was a good upgrade because like I've done a lot more of this kind of guinea pig dog fooding, whatever you want to call it, of the project. Like while we've gone through different iterations of V2, but yeah, it's really nice to actually upgrade some old stuff and really see that stark comparison. But yeah, we've been live for about 2 hours, so I'm gonna let you guys go because your girls gotta go eat and stare at the wall for a while. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out. We appreciate it. See you on another Charm community stream. Don't forget to join the Discord. I'll send a link for that in the chat here. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you want to keep up with the team and the community and talk all things command line, terminals, any general nerdy things, Discord's where it's at. There's also Matrix and stuff, but I think I've got a community, like one of the posts that describes that. Anyway, I'm like the worst at goodbyes if that is not clear from how been trying to say goodbye for like 5 minutes. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you very much for tuning in.